turned on the PTO. I'm going to turn on the compressor. Kicked off right at 160. Emergency brake has to be set for the PTO to kick on. One thing I did notice, the emergency brake does not hold. Whenever it's pushed down, it still pull forward. Couldn't really see it, or I couldn't in the video. There's a little bit of smoke vapor, but very little. The emissions are not stock. The DPF been deleted. It has a tune in it to turn off the emissions and EGR. Walking around the truck, this little door ding, then you can see there's probably some kind of logo underneath that. Some of these auctions, they just paint over the logo, and we don't normally take it off. It could probably be buffed off or something, but a little bit of stuff there. Same thing on this door, they painted over whatever logo it had. bit of damage there from a blowout. In this rear box where the crane controller is, you can see where it bent the box up a little bit from being hit on a blowout. This door here's the hinge is bent. It still opens and closes, but it's kind of, that hinge is bent right there. Actually, they've painted over something on this door too. Can't really see it, but there's a paint line. And they painted over on these front doors as well. You can see a little bit of paint line there. Yes.
Let me ask a question. You know how working the ground?
Yeah, I'll go get the crane controller and be out there in just a minute. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So 3 doors. On this side has the paint over logos or something. Both the passenger or driver door, and actually this rear door has paint over something, as well as these front doors. I didn't see it at first. It doesn't look terrible on there. You got to look to see it, but it is painted over something.